definitely hear Pearl Jam on there. Definitely get shut down for that one. It's only because I can't find my other number one. These are kind of a pain in the butt because gotta start from this side. And hopefully the gasket holds there. It's a zama. A zama. Look at all the spooge in there. See it all? I don't know. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it. Let's make sure you can see that spooge in that screen. Oh, maybe. Battery's gonna die though. Yeah, I'm sure you can see something. You gotta be able to see something. Battery's gonna die. We're gonna stop it and change.